Okay guys, drawing, you draw front and back. It's a little easier in one sense that you don't have to draw all the individual pins, but it's a little bit more complicated because there's more tools to use to get it done. Okay, so let's get through this. So let's just go create sketch. We're going to draw from the front view and we're going to go rectangle from here to here. Our width 140. Our length there is 350 because I've already measured that before. Enter. E for extrude. I'm going to grab that, drag him forward, and he's 19mm. Okay. It's going to spin back to the front view. My bodies, I'm going to make components. So this is a component now. There you go. And I'm going to connect him up to these two pieces here. So I'm going to select him, right click, move copy, not an object, I'm going to go component. Our move type is point to point. Our origin, sorry, better come back up here. Select our component, point to point. Origin point here will be this back one, and our target point will be here. Okay, that's one part done. Click OK. Now we're going to move this one into here. So left click, then right click, move copy, component, so it's the whole thing. You selected point to point, origin point. We're going to get that point there to go to that point there. Click OK. Looks done, but this is still just a blank bit of timber with no joinery in it. So we're just going to click it, go modify, combine, capture, target bodies selected, our tool bodies. Now it's basically the parts that we're going to use as a template to cut the joints out. So we're going to click that one and that one. So we should have two selected. It is a cut, so it could have been on join before, but make sure it's a cut. And we're keeping the tools, which is these two red ones. Okay, make sure it's tick and tick. I might untick that one and see what happens and click OK. All right, now I'm just going to click on this component and hide him. Didn't quite do what I wanted to do. I'm going to move this out just so you can see the joinery has been done. So I'm just going to go move copy. The whole component, I'm going to translate. I'm just going to slide him out. Oops. See, you can see the joins on there. Okay, I'll just hit cancel. I just did that so you could see it. So he's done. Now we're going to draw the other one to go on here. So I'm just going to go to front view, sketch, front view, and it's exactly the same. Click 140, tab 350, enter, E for extrude. I'll just spin him. Oops, wrong one. Cancel. This one, E. There he is, 19mm. 19mm, enter, and bodies, right click, create component. Okay, we're going to put him up in there. So left click, right click, move copy, component, the whole thing, point to point, origin point from there to target point there, and click OK. Alright, now I'm just going to click on him, go modify, combine, capture, target body is selected already. Our tools are this piece and this piece. It's a cut, no new component, we're keeping the one we've already got, but we're keeping the tools, the two red ones. Click OK. He's done. So I'll just show you, just so you can see it's done. Component, that one, we're just going to translate, which means to slide. See, you can see the joints are done on the edges there and there. Pretty cool. Okay, hit cancel. And now I'm going to move the whole thing into here. Select the whole thing, right click, move copy, components, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, point to point, my origin point, I'm going to make this bottom corner here, and my target point, this bottom corner of the rail there. I'll just zoom out. He looks good to me. Click OK, and you can see our drawer is in there. Let's look from the top. Oh, we've got an extra one there. I'm just going to delete him. Okay, top, and there you go. You can see we've utilised a lot of the space already. There's not much space at the back, so that's good. You don't want to make it too tight that your drawer's going to be sticking out at the front. Alright, so he's nice and clean across the front. It lines up on the front. Now, that's the drawer, and then we're going to have a fake drawer front that goes over top of the whole thing. Okay, now let's change the appearance of this. So let's just click that, click A on your keyboard for appearance. In this design, if you've already done your pine, you can grab it from there. If not, down in your library, you'll have one there for wood, and you'll have them in here, pine. Okay, and you can just click and drag that over each component that you want in wood. Whew. Just zoom in there. There we go. There we go. These two here are metal. Okay, so I might just slide down in here. Metal. It'd look like aluminium. I'm just going to go the polished. It's not really, but it'll look nice in our drawing. Hit close, and that's a big main part of our drawing done now. Okay, yes, we will have a bottom in that, a bit of ply, but we're not going to draw that in. Okay, we'll just keep it a little bit simpler. Okay, that should take you guys up to the end of week 10. Then week 11, what we're looking at doing is drawing our top to go on here and also our drawer front. Okay, good luck guys, keep safe.